Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SolMeme coin. Now it was just announced that the SolMeme coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. Ironically, the SolMeme coin is on the Binance Smart Chain. It's actually up 21% today. Maybe it's up because of this central exchange listing announcement. But we are going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it and the security on it and all that type of stuff in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, I was just looking at their audit. They have a quick audit, and there is a lot of warnings on there, so we're going to get to that. So just be aware of that right off the bat. They have an insane market cap. $2 billion market cap here, it says on Dex Tools and Dex Screener. I had to double check on both sites to see if the Dex Screener one was right, and it says, yeah, $2 billion market cap. Pretty insane. And they have 3,418 holders so far. So this token is available on PancakeSwap, so you could get it by using your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet, fund that wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the SolMeme token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, solmeme.biz. Now, tax-wise, slippage, it says no taxes, so you probably will not have to worry about slippage. So one thing I noticed here is it says there's $63,000 in liquidity on PancakeSwap, which isn't really that much if you look at the market cap. Compared to the market cap, $2 billion, they have $63,000 in liquidity on PancakeSwap. That's very small amount compared to the overall market cap. Token price is around 9.7 cents per token right now. But yeah, so it is available on PancakeSwap, but just be aware before you even think about getting it, we're going to go over the audit risks in a second here, so stay tuned for that. Now, it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, April 7th at 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So that's another way to get this token. If you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SolMeme, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, also, around the same time, same day, there's another token called SolMail, which is actually on the Solana blockchain. That token's also being listed on MEXC Global tomorrow, April 7th. So check that one out. I did a video on that one when it came out a long time ago, like 2 weeks ago or something like that. So if you want to see what SolMail is, that video's back in, probably 2 weeks ago or something. So you'll have to scroll back to see that or search it. And then there's another one called Cats of Sol being listed tomorrow on MEXC Global as well. I'm probably going to do a video on that token as well, so you can check that one out today probably. But yeah, so this one's on PancakeSwap as of today, and then MEXC Global as of tomorrow. Over 3,400 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 21 billion tokens. You can find their Telegram at SolMeme Coin, 9,087 members, 501 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion, talk to other community members about the project, see what's going on, all that type of stuff. As usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up on the screen right here at SolMeme Chain. It says, meme coins have always been in the spotlight. 2024 will be the leap year for meme coins, and we will start this season off by doing 100 times. Well, potentially, right? And then they have a link to their webpage and their Telegram on the Twitter. 12,800 followers and 254 tweets. And it looks like they just retweeted. It was I guess, a weekly. I don't know why they retweeted that, actually. Never mind. I thought they were retweeting that they were trending, but it doesn't even look like they were trending. I don't know what that was, but looks like they do airdrops and things like that on their Twitter. Just all sorts of, announcements, basically, you could see on there. So let's go to their webpage solmeme.biz. It says 2024 will be the year of meme coins, and we will start the season off right. Meme coins have always been in the spotlight. Every project with communities behind it has brought great profits to people. That is not true, of course. Majority of crypto projects probably don't bring great profits to people. Maybe a select few. That's usually how crypto works, right? Like, even if you look at a crypto coin that does amazing, like Pepe, that doesn't mean it brings profits to everybody. Some people bought at the top, and those people lost money, even though the token did well, right? So, that's a weird statement to make. But anyways, 2024 will be a leap year for meme coins. What does that even mean? Is this translated? I'm going to assume this is translated, because why would it be a leap year for meme coins? Meme coins get an extra day? What? Anyways, and we will start the season by doing 100 times, potentially. Then it says there's a white paper. Let's see if it works. I tried this. Okay, so they do have a white paper. So go over to docs.solmeme.biz, and that's their white paper there. And it looks like they have an old project here called Degen Bookie, because they screwed up, and it says, what makes Degen Bookie different? So it looks like they probably... they looks like they just repasted their SolMeme information on an old crypto token called Degen Bookie. So this is not even correct. It doesn't even look like, unless this is part of the same project. But it looks like. Then it says, this is definitely, don't even look at their white paper, I would guess, because it looks like it has nothing to do with the project. Somebody screwed up. That's what I think. Anyway, so 49% of the tokens get burnt, 17% of the tokens go to liquidity, 33% public sale. It says, we are a passionate group of individuals eager to shape the future and push boundaries of technology. The SolMeme community aims to lead the digital transformation of the future by harnessing the powers of artificial intelligence and blockchain. Here you can engage in the knowledge and stay informed about new technology trends in the heart of information. So basically, it looks like they have no utility. If you go to their white paper, it looks like it's info from a totally different project. And I suggest looking up Degen Bookie and seeing if that token did well. I'm going to look that up actually right now, because if it didn't, that's probably, a warning sign for this token. It says they have $63,000 in liquidity on PancakeSwap, but according to Dex Screener and Dex Tools, it is not locked. I don't see a lock button anywhere, so that is the first security warning I will give you guys about this token, is I can't find a locked liquidity button that says anything is locked, so just be aware of that. Let's have a look at Degen Bookie, though, because that looks like it was their project and somebody screwed up by linking that white paper here. Degen Bookie. Doesn't even pop up, so I don't even know what that is. Does not even pop up on Dex Screener when you punch that in. But anyways, and then you go over to Dex Tools for this token. It says their Dex score is 34 to 99 because they're lacking significant points for information. They have hardly any information, and it says they have no audit. So that's a problem. It says no buy and sell tax, no honeypot, contracts verified. But then it says 8 warnings on their audit. So they have a GoPlus Security, Quick Intel Security, and honeypot.is quick audit on Dex Tools. And there's 8 warnings on there. So it says tax is modifiable, there's blacklisting, transfers are possible, and there's mintable tokens. Those are all bad, really bad. And there's more. Retrieve ownership, hidden owner, external call risk, and other risks. But the big ones right here is blacklisting, transfers are possible, tax is modifiable, and mintable tokens. So basically, I mean, even if you take mintable tokens out of there, basically they could just blacklist all the wallets that they want so nobody could buy or sell the tokens. They could modify the tax all the way up to 100%, so your slippage is up to 100%. And then they could, pause transfers so you can't move tokens around. I mean, all those things combined could potentially lead to terrible things. So just totally be aware of that. I would take this token with 100 grains of salt since there's no liquidity lock that I could see, and there's all those warnings on their quick audits, and there's no full audit, and there's no team doxing, and there's minimal information, and they have the wrong white paper. I mean, the warnings there are extensive. So as far as warnings go for projects, some tokens have no information, and that's also super sketchy, like no quick audits, no nothing. That's really bad as well. But this is like, hey, guys, we're bad. Like, I'm not saying it's 100% going to be a scam. I'm just saying the risks are pretty bad. There's very high risks here. So it could potentially work out for people, but who knows, right? So just definitely take it with a grain of salt and thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about getting it. I was going to do a video on this Y token, WHY. That's the name and the ticker symbol. I was going to do a video on that. It's trending #1 right now, but it's down like 40% right now. So maybe I'm going to not do a video on that one. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos, though. Today I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos on all these new meme tokens and, well, not all the new meme tokens, but the ones that stand out anyways, and some other tokens, some non-meme tokens as well. So stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe for daily crypto videos, like this video. Let me know down there, what do you guys think about this token? Does it seem sketchy to y'all? Because it seems sketchy to me, all right? Could potentially be good, but lots of red flags. Leave a comment. What do you guys think? Check out the referral codes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.